Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Curate Data Analytics, where we convert insight to actions and deliver business impact. On today's video, we are going to showcase you the performance dashboard. So here it is. This is the first page and the sales report for the financial year 23-24. So these are the data cards, that is total sales of 73 crores and YTD sales is 73.85. Last year YTD 61 and which has a growth of 20.46. This is YTD growth percentage and degrowth percentage. So current year MTD in crores, last year MTD in crore, and MTD user count is 184 and number of distributors is 384. So month wise sales, if I it is here, that is if I click on October 23. So here we go. This converts into all, and it is further broken down to zone wise, that is north, south, east, west zone, which is the maximum contribution is from west. So let's just click on it. So the brand wise and territory wise and the percentage growth. Next is brand and category wise sales. So if I click on equipment and trolley, this is a brand that was growing and rest it was and has a degrowth in 23. So territory wise sales, that is the city wise or the definition according to you. This is the south. For example, if I click on South Delhi, which is 2.21, so here it is. Its region is Delhi, zone is north, growth over last year is this, and here we go. So if I click on the region of particular region, let's click on Gujarat. So these are the cities. This is the west zone. This is the brand category wise sales month wise. It was growing fairly till June 23, and it is now degrowing till November. So here's the sales report. Next page is the people performance for the financial year 23-24. Total sales, total YTD sales, total last year YTD in lakh, current year MTD in lakhs, last year month MTD in lakh, and percentage growth. So here it is. These are the zones and the number of users in particular zone. This is zone wise sales. Sales percentage growth over MOM last year. So here it is, month on month growth, and employee wise sales per working day. So let's just check this out. In North, we have 143 employees. So here are the 143 employees. Out of which, these are the by the user class. That is how much they cover and per day working. And outlet wise sales, monthly sales by employee. So it's a charge for it. And if I click on this October 23, which has 179 users, this is the classification. So these are the classification of the employee in red, orange, yellow, green, light green and dark green. So these are the A class, B class, C class and D class, which we defined accordingly. That is if I click on E class, so here's the E class sales, outlet wise, employee wise and zone wise. That is there are 17 people. Oh, these are the 17 people and these are the 5 people who are in E class. Next we have is outlet wise sales. So if I click on any outlet, for example this, it is managed by which employee and it is in which class, how is the growth or degrowth. So here it is, and multiply sale employee. So people performance, this is user wise number of outlets. It is quite similar to the previous page, but yeah, we have a bit difference here. That is, this is in the C class, which has a user value sales and it is on south. User class sales value of 15,000. This is the maximum. That is maximum user at the C class, which has a sale of 15,000 to 50,000, and 8 are in the 70,000 plus, which is the value that they deliver, and they have growth 100%. And these are the 5 people who are in the E class, that is 0 to 5,000, which has a degrowth of 60%. So the next we have is brand performance for the financial year 23-24. Sales over last year, number of outlet wise category count. Okay. So in August, this was the status. Month wise outlets, brand wise outlets, and category wise sales. So if I click on any category, if I click on face mask, so here's the value that it. This is an important chart. Let's see it to it. Number of outlets by outlet wise category count. So just a second. Yeah. This chart depicts that out of the outlets, that is the four out of the total outlets, that is 32,000. 4,000 are there which only buy a single product. That is mostly the facial kit. And there are few outlets, that is 447 outlets, which buy 14 products of the category. That is by 14 categories. This includes all of these. Few categories are missing in there. And there are only 4 outlet which buy all the 18 categories. It is quite a bit small, so I can click it. Yeah, there are only 4 which buy the 18 categories. All the 18 product categories that the company has. So this is the category number of outlets which has which, and we can have it as store wise. Next page we have the growth analysis for the financial year 23-24. So this is the major growth part. That is the brand and the company has been growing by 20%. So 20.46%, and which is contributed by majorly by South and West in the growth percentage. But in volume percentage, we have that West is the highest, then North, then we have East, then we have South. So let's see to it. If I click on East, so here's the East one, and in East we have a degrowth for the MyGlam brand, and a growth for equipment and trolley, and for Lara we have a slightly neutral point here. So now if I want to see it RSM wise, for example, if I click on this RSM, Balaji Kulaksen, he does his growth is 3.37% for the year. He had worked in South region. Yeah, this is the statement that we can have it also brand wise. Also, if I click on the brand MyGlam, this brand has been growing from 19% and has been contributed by majorly from the West, then North, a slight degrowth in East, and a good growth in South. So this is the complete dashboard for the performance of the company, and this is how you can build the story and analyze what exactly happens in the system. This is one of the template which is totally customizable according to your needs. And if you want to add more KPIs or more pages or anything different, so you can connect to us and know more about our services at Curate Data Analytics. You can reach us at our LinkedIn page on our website, or even can mail us at the email ID partner@curatedata.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.